This lesson is called Real-Life Algorithms. Algorithms describe things that people do every day. Cookie recipes and directions for building a birdhouse are all everyday algorithms. Today, we are going to make and create and test an algorithm for a paper airplane. But first, we need to break this big project into easy-to-follow small steps. For making a paper airplane, we need to decide what steps to take and in what order to take them. You will create your algorithm by first cutting apart the pictures. Next, you will select the 6 pictures that show the steps needed to make a paper airplane and arrange those pictures in the correct order. After you have everything in order, you will trade algorithms with another student team to test out the algorithm to see if the algorithm works. A well-designed algorithm is super important to making the best paper airplane. When we want to make chocolate, there are many big steps to that process, and each of those big steps has its own set of smaller steps. And there are different recipes or algorithms depending on how we want the chocolate to taste. Each step is important, even the small ones. So without one step, the rest of them cannot be completed. Creating algorithms that others can understand is really important. That's why each step has to be written down, so no matter who does it, the result is the same.